The secondary might be good. 244 backups.
Yeah. So we're starting it back up, finally. Hey, Young Gun is online. Well, I played with him in one of my videos, so that was a long time ago, though. That was one of the first videos, I think.
It was your second.
Yeah, second Minecraft video, and he wasn't in Modern Warfare 3, but not anymore. Alright, well, finally got it. Beautiful. That's Barcelona and
Thank
Messi.
God, not getting affected.
And then Hansa Grelic is somewhere around here. I don't know. He's somewhere. Oh, yeah, I think he died, right? Yeah, he died. So he's the other lineup, and I'm just chilling with Barcelona. And well, he got you.
I hate you with all my life, John.
Now Jonathan. Oh! Oh my gosh, he almost killed me. I hope he died. I can't believe I almost died again. No! No! Okay, I died. Alright, let's bet. Who votes on rage quitting?
I don't.
Yeah, me neither. I do want to a lot. Oh, my heart. I do. Hey, Barcelona. Oh, Staff Sergeant 3. I've been promoted. I'm almost level 20. I'm almost level 20.
I'm under the plane. I'm under the plane. John, come here.
Guys.
Everybody get up on me, John.
I don't know. I mean, is this a meeting? What's the meeting? What's the meeting for?
Is somebody Everybody follow me. No, you are ruining our meeting. Nobody can see you? Sure.
Bye.
You are ruining our meeting.
Yeah, but this meeting's kind of bad. All right, take a knee. Everyone take a knee. Everyone take a knee. Hansa Grelic, we don't get your butt over here. Here's the plan. I'm gonna get him from behind. Okay?
No, wait. Where are you going? No.
I'm getting him from behind.
Wait for Jonathan. Jonathan's here now.
Come on.
Jonathan, I will teach you.
I'm waiting for the right moment. Whoa! Okay, I'm sorry.
Come here now.
That wasn't me that had to come here.
Everybody put your tack under the plane.
I put my tag up here.
Everybody follow me. John, follow me.
I don't have a throwing knife.
There's a guy over there in the corner. See? He's just sitting over there. The drop shot guy. That's where he was. If we don't watch him out, he's going to get a bow out.
Oh, dang.
Gonna end his blood.
It has been ended. Oh, he's not letting me. Well, all that's left is 3 people. And those 3 people are in the spots. If you don't watch out, they're going to kill you in an instant. Instant death. Pain. Forever and ever.
Is somebody in Burger Town?
Burger Town? No. Nobody's in there.
Somebody with me.
Alright.
How to go to 1 to 3?
They're all over there. Whee! Whee! Got him! Oh! Going all the way home! Okay, I win.
Where are they?
I don't know.
They're at Burger Town.
With only a couple seconds to spare. Go.
Come on.
We have a couple seconds. We can do this! We can do this! He's over there.
Where? Is he showing himself?
Yeah, he's showing himself. He's only at 17 seconds. We gotta book him. Let's book him, son. Yeah! Oh! Yay! 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 jump. Oh no. He's got him. That was awesome.
That's the bad.
Sit rep.
Jonathan, you want to play Rock Pops 2?
Jokes, you're just gonna leave me? Wow.
Yes, I am.
Alright, well, I'm gonna play private match. At Dome.
Oh,
Free for all. Duh.
that's gonna be cool.
And bam.
Oh my gosh, I was making a class.
Well, how was I supposed to know?
We're making the sniper class. I'm using an ACOG now.
That's not no. Well, then I'm gonna pull out my ACOG.
I was trolling you, no!
You're not gonna have an ACOG?
Still recording.
Yeah, I am. You know it. I'm using my 1887 model. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna use Sniper MSR Gold.
Me too.
Right in the head.
I will tell you today, right now, I don't care. It's safe.
Xavier!
Xavier.
It's Professor
You
Toothy!
have to say Xavier.
Every time you think you're gonna kill someone?
You didn't say Xavier, stupid. Alright, Xavier.
Xavier!
Hey, Jonathan. Xavier. No!
Xavier! 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 I didn't just pull out a
Nobody
piece.
can take my care package. You have to say it after kill him.
Xavier.
Okay, nobody kill me. I'm gonna get my care package, alright?
It's fake.
It's an airdrop trap. No, it's not. No, it's because you're the enemy. If it's like a airdrop, I won't use it. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, you noob. You can't like run up to somebody and knife them. What is the 86 Overwatch? I just called it in. Is it like a little animal? You're a noob. I'm taking that thing down. Oh, that's it. I'm using. What is it? I'm taking that thing down. Oh, what the hell? I thought they were dogs or something.
There's no dog mode for free.
Oh my gosh. I can't. Double kill. Oh my god, I got a collateral. What? Hey, Pete. Can you move me some? Hello?
Take that thing down.
Xavier.
Oh my gosh. Relics. Xavier!
Here, I'll destroy it. Where is it? Xavier! Come back here! No, you're not done yet. No, come back here.
Xavier!
It's destroyed. Xavier.
Whoa. Barcelona, what the heck are you doing? You're not with a ghillie suit.
I was teabagging you also.
Xavier!
Xavier!
Ah!
Xavier! Oh yeah.